Alright, family, how you all doing? Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walkthrough and Beyond. This is your host Nitin, and today I'm gonna cover, as promised, the samosa shop. It is known by the name Deen Dayal Mishti Shop. I'll just show you the board. So it's near Malvinagar, a place called Begumpur village. So when you come out here, you can just ask around, just ask anyone where the so you can ask anyone where the police chowki is. So it's just very near to that. So let me just show you what I'm having. चाय और एक ब्रेड भी दे देना. So this is the samosa with green chutney. I prefer green chutney. Amazing. Just oozing the flavors. There's a very good generous amount of stuffing of the aloo, and there is other spices, peas, whatever, and it tastes really really good. Cheers, some chai. Meanwhile, there is a new batch of bread pakoras that are frying, coming. So I'm just waiting for that. It's almost done. क्या नाम बताया था आपने? नवल किशोर शाह. नवल किशोर शाह. So I'm going to make you meet the owner of the shop. His name is Naval Kishore Shah. Hello बोल. कब से है यहाँ पे? 6 साल से. वाह. और आप कहाँ से हैं? बिहार. बिहार से? हाँ? बिहार समस्तीपुर. समस्तीपुर. So he's from Bihar, Samastipur, and so he has a very good shop out here. Apart from the bread pakoda, samosa, and chai that you get. By the way, the chai is really really good. It's packed with flavors. I think he put some of his own masalas as a recipe. So that is probably long elaichi and all of that, ginger. So somehow it tastes really good. So I was telling you that the guy is Naval Kishore Shahji. He's from Bihar, and he runs the shop by the name of Deen Dayal Mishti. So because he's from Bihar, the speciality of this place is long lata. So it's basically like an Indian version of a donut, which is made out of white flour and then dipped in lots of, after frying, they put it in a lot of sugar, and it's also very good. Let me taste it. Amazing. So today I'm going to try something, a little bit of everything. So since morning I've just had one banana and some papaya. That's all I've had for today, because I was saving some space for all of this in the evening today. So any one of you who likes long lata in general, or especially if you're from Bihar and you live in Delhi and you wouldn't find long lata anywhere else, I mean, I haven't come across any place that sells long lata fresh. Because we have jalebi culture along with the samosas. But this man he also serves, he makes these long lata. So if you're a long lata fan, whichever part of the world you're from, especially if you are from Bihar and if you are a fan of long lata, then you must come out here and check it out. Just amazing. So let me show you, there's a batch of samosas that he's preparing now. अच्छा डाल दिया already. And they also have milk cake. ये milk cake है ना? Milk cake. इतना सा taste कराएंगे हम लोग? हाँ लीजिए ना. So I've just asked him to taste a little. Amazing. कैसे मिलता है ये? 300 किलो है. और क्या क्या होता है? डोडा भी होता है. So that's samosa. So they also have some other mithai in case you want to buy. So I don't know about all of the varieties right now, but I think he has laddu, doda and milk cake, which is very very fresh. I think it's around 300 a kg. So you can just come down here anytime, try out all of these things, and maybe get some long milk cake or other mithai whichever you like on your way back. So I'm a returning customer basically. I really like the long lata because I recently visited Bodh Gaya, Bihar, and so I tried Tilkut, Lai and Anrasa there at one of very old shops. I'm forgetting the name right now, but some very nice humble guy by the name of Sonu, who was also showing us around. He told me about it. Okay, I'll show you a little sample of all the mithais that they have. That's really sweet of him. क्या क्या है ये?
ये बर्फी है.
बर्फी,
डोडा बर्फी,
डोडा,
पेड़ा,
पेड़ा,
मिल्क केक.
मिल्क केक, और ये खोए की है.
खोए की.
ये थोड़ा सा टेस्ट हो सकता है?
हाँ वो करवा देता हूँ.
सब हो जाएगा सर.
कभी हो जाएगा.
करके कैमरे पे बताएंगे. So I just showed you a sample and I'm going to taste some of the other mithais as well. Samosa, I personally really liked it because it's really good and fresh. They also have jalebi, but I like the fact that this is long lata, which is a different, slightly different item than jalebi, along with the samosa. So I'm a returning customer and I love the long lata, chai and the samosa combination. I see Divine Sastra and Achima Firozi joined. Hello. So he just gave me some peda. I'm going to try this.
तुम्हारा ही पकौड़ा सही लगता है उसको. छोटी चाय दे दीजिए. आलू
Compared to the other pedas that I've had, this one is very good because I think it is really nicely cooked and roasted properly. So that's why it tastes really really good. So I've tried that also. So they have milk cake, doda, laddu, khoya barfi and also peda. So those are the number of items that he has. So don't go by the size. It may be a small humble shop, but what this man is doing out here and what he's selling is a bomb. You've really got to try the samosa on my recommendation. I'm from Delhi and I've had samosa a lot of places, but trust me, this guy samosas are really really good and I am a fan of his long lata and now also milk cake and peda. So one of these days I'll probably come and get some of the mithais also packed. So don't forget to mark this on your checklist. Deen Dayal Mishti Shop, Begumpur, Malvinagar. It's a must try. I'll also put the number in the captions later when I edit this video. Okay, so the samosa batch is midway to getting ready.
अभी तो और रहता है ना थोड़ा. हाँ, थोड़ा उठा के भी तो.
Isn't that very appealing, very attracting, inviting? So it's evening time. In case you feel like this is really mouth-watering, so if you happen to stay nearby, then you can come down. He's here till 8 or 9 probably, till 8 p.m. And he opens in the morning. Then he is temporarily shut in the afternoon for about an hour or so, and then he again opens, and he remains open till 8 p.m. every day. So if you want, you can come down and try, or just pick up samosa from your nearby shop. अरे एक bread भी खिला दो यार. So I'm also going to have a bread pakoda, though I thought that I'll just have samosa, long lata and chai, but I'm tempted to have the bread pakoda also today because I've just had a banana and a papaya. So this is going to be much of the meal for the day. I have some food at home, so I'll probably have some more fruit, salad, and a little bit of dinner, which is saag and rajma with maybe one and a half or 2 rotis and lots of salad. There's very good amount of filling inside of aloo, which is very, very tasty. So you can see the spices and the red chili, and it's really crispy on the outside and very soft filling on the inside.
अंकल 5 समोसे कर दो.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं.
पैसे ले लो.
आया बिल्ली का बजट.
5 समोसा पैक.
So bread pakoda is also very nice. I had it the other day, but somehow I didn't like it as much because probably I got a piece which had less filling. But today the filling is really, really generous. It's very, very thick, as you can see, and there's a lot of filling out there. Probably you can't see properly right now, and it's really, really crispy. Very, very tasty. A must try. So usually people might have some qualms about the quality of the oil, but trust me, I've been eating this for some time, and I'm a foodie. I've been a foodie for the last few years, and I can tell. So it doesn't taste like the oil is bad.
दे दो.
That's a fresh batch. So this is the oil that he uses. That's white gold soybean refined cooking oil. So we also showed you the oil that he uses,
घी दिखावा.
and it's already fresh.
देसी घी दिखाओ तो
And he
फेमस
uses
होता है.
fresh oil every day.
अरे डोंगा दे भाई, डोंगा दे.
दे
5 को देता हूँ.
एक लॉन्ग लता और खिला दो. Mohammad Sif Sheikh ji, hi. I'm getting another long lata.
2 समोसे
So I guess it's not just cheat day, it's almost a sin day, but that's okay.
दो समोसे एक ब्रेड.
Another one. simply love it. I don't know what it is about Bodh Gaya, Bihar, but ever since I've been to Bodh Gaya, Bihar, I'm just in love with that place. There's so much to see out there. If you want, you can go and check out some of my shorts, reels on my playlist on the YouTube or even on the Instagram or Facebook, wherever you're watching. And there is 2 long form videos of some places that I've showed in Bodh Gaya, so you can go and watch it there. And there is one more very special video which has been pending, I think, for the last 2+ months now, and it's a little unfair, I know, but I've been busy with some things, so I'll try to release it in like another week or 10 days for sure. There's a place called Gurpa Hill, and that's a very, very nice must visit place in case you visit Bodh Gaya also. So anyhow, I was just telling you that I'm simply in love with all the mithai options from Bodh Gaya. The dai, the tilkut, the anrasa, and also long lata. That's long. Alright, so that's it. Let me just show you. Everything is decorated in the tray. So let me just show you a little glimpse one last time. So that was a teaser, and as you can see, the bread pakoras are almost finished. He just took out a lot in front of you and it's almost gone, all of it. And I think they keep doing this back to back. This is probably, I don't know, the 10th or the 20th batch of samosas through the day. I'm not sure, but yeah. So alright, that's about it. It was quite an interesting experience and quite a day. I really enjoyed saving up my diet for this cheat meal today. So remember, Deen Dayal Mishti Shop, Begumpur, Madhvinagar. It's a must try. One of the top recommendations if you're in Delhi. So see you soon again with this. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Har Har Mahadev. Alright, one more thing. Just forgot to mention, everything on the menu out there is just 10 rupees, just 10 bucks. So it's very value for money, economical option. Just the bread pakoda is 15 bucks. Rest, the chai, samosa and long lata, they're all 10 bucks. So just wanted to update that. Chalo, 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 chalo. Okay, so snacks done for everyone. Bye bye.